Y'all, here's part 2. We're gonna have many more series to come in the future. Make sure y'all leave a follow and a like, and I'll keep pumping these videos out. Let's get into it. Next, we're gonna remove this timing chain. So let's get this cover off. Ooh, very clean. All right. Okay. Oh, what are you from? You have an S on you. See that? Alright, if we want to remove the flywheel correctly, then we need to remove this clutch cover. So we'll remove this brake lever, the kickstarter, water pump. There we go. Now she fits. How you doing? Alright, Kickstarter time. Oh yeah. Yes, got a little oil on right here. Oh, loose. Hey there. So I was just taking off these bolts. You see that? Let me zoom in so you can see a little better. Do you see what I'm not seeing? The oil filter. It's like pulling teeth just to get these damn covers off. Alright, what we got? We're stuck. Why wouldn't we be? Doesn't that just look beautiful? No clutch material. Clutch plates are not insanely burnt. No grooves in the basket. That's what I'm talking about. She gone. Alright, now we need a flywheel puller. Get that guy off too. Okay, it's gone.